I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. O, buksan mo dyan. Do you like it? Open it.
Is makeup?
Yeah, you have to see it. What is inside? Check inside.
I cannot open it.
Oh, okay. I will help you. How to open this? You have to press, I think. Oh, you press it. Yeah, you have to press. Tara! Tara! This is I think makeup or...
There's a nails too.
Yeah.
But this is okay. There's a secret.
See? Sticker. Then, this one is I don't know what is this. Then, look. Oh, there's more inside. Lipstick. So, if you want to open it, yan. May roll yan. O, diba? So, ito mang pang makeup mo yan.
It's
Makeup.
jiggly.
It's a makeup cake. Tapos, andito yung mga ano niya mga may cutics dyan. Tapos, oh, you have to open it. There is more inside.
Oh, there's an under.
Yeah.
There's under.
There's a brush.
Like that. This
Do you
color.
like it?
Yeah. See?
Okay.